Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. If you have a stove and it has like these black enamel coatings on them now, you're gonna get like some nicks and marks and everything else. So Rust-Oleum came out with a cool product. I'm gonna try it out, and it's the Appliance Epoxy Touch-Up in black. So we're gonna see how it does. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can watch the whole process and see how easy it is to fix your stovetop. Okay, so you can see the mark that's right here, and I don't think I need to move this burner out of the way. In fact, I want to kind of keep it there, but I have a spray bottle with just some rubbing alcohol in it. So spray the area, and you are going to clean it, get any grease, cleaning products, or anything else that you have on there off completely. Okay, then just let that dry real quick. While we're doing that, we're going to open the Rust-Oleum Touch-Up. And we're going to make sure we shake it really good. Alright, so you want to shake it for about a minute. Then you're going to open the top. And then it's kind of like a nail polish applicator. But we are going to fill the spot in here. Then we're going to fill this spot in over here. And we're going to let that dry for a little bit and then give it another coat. Alright, so I let this settle down a little bit. I was going to give it a second coat, but it looks like it filled in really well. So let me just move the camera so we get some better visuals. And here's probably a closer overhead look. So after that dries completely, that should blend in really nice. And in the very least, it's going to keep this one spot here from rusting. And other than that. And after a couple hours, that's how it dried up. Pretty good. At least the scarring is kind of minimal. And it, from a distance, hardly noticeable. Anyhow, Brian from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there.